Hello everyone, myself Himani Sharma from RPIIT campus. In today's class, I discuss about my topic that is conductance of the solution that is depend on the following factors. First is the temperature, second is nature of ions and the concentration of ion. Temperature, it is increased by increase of the temperature. Next, nature of ion also depend upon the conductance of a solution. If the size, their molecular weight and number of the charge the ion carries and other factors also depend upon the conductance. Next is the concentration of ion is also depend upon the conductance. As the number of ions increase, the conductance of the solution increase. Means according to the number of concentration of the ions, their conductance is also increases. Next is the size of the electrode. The size of the electrode also depend upon the conductance. Conductance is also depend on the size of the electrodes, that is G up is equal to K lambda A upon L. So these are the some factors that the conductance depend on these factors. Next is the instrumentation. The instrument used for the measurement of conductance are known as the conductometer, and it consists of the following sources: current sources, conductivity cells are the some instruments used for the conductometer titration. First is the source, that is the mechanical high frequency AC generated by the waste pump, and DC current is not employed in the conductance measurement because electrodes become polarized and leading to the high cell resistance. So we can say that if there are the conductance, the measurement is depend upon the electrode become polarized leading to the high resistance, and the conductivity cell made of the pyrex or the quartz. The conductivity cell is made up of the pyrex or quartz material, and that is fitted with the two platinum electrode. They have the two platinum electrode and should be placed in the vessels, and these vessels contain the water to maintain the constant temperature. Types is the wide mouthed cell. Next are the electrode. Their electrode is also play an important role in the conductivity. Platinum sheet, each of the 1 centimeter, are fixed at distance of 1 centimeter, and the surface is coated with the platinum black to avoid the polarization effect and increase the effective surface area. And the polarization of electrode is done by coating the solution of 3% chlorplatinic acid and lead acetate on it to go and get the uniform coating. Electrode uses depend on the conductivity and concentration. In today's class, I discuss about the instrumentation part 1. Thank you.